So guys,
we have the cookie house.
Guys, so we're gonna be making a gingerbread house, but this one's a little different, okay? So this one is already pre-built, okay?
That's way easy to build. That's way easy.
Yeah, it is easier. So you guys know that that's the hardest part, to pick up the house, and sometimes it doesn't stick up. So we're gonna be making this one that it's already made, okay? Okay, so we have some cookies that are broken. The cookies are broken.
One got eliminated.
So we got the house right here. Look guys, so it's already glued with the candy. I think this part is loose too.
That's better, you know?
Alright guys, so we already have the gingerbread house here. And we got this part that came out. So it's gonna be going here.
You need to break it in like 3 pieces.
And we got the candy, all the candy, and the cookies. And we got the glue right here, guys. This is the glue.
Edible glue.
I want glue.
It's coming down.
We got green and red color.
And another white.
The glue is coming.
Oh, we also got white. Yep. Okay, guys. So let's start. I think you should make this one. Let's break it.
How do we break it?
You break it on that line with your hands.
What if I don't do it right?
I got it.
Professionals do it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I think we need to. You got it?
Oh, I got it. That's only the first piece.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you got it, George.
And it's supposed to be like this.
I think that's supposed to be on this side. Wait, yeah.
It's supposed to be like that. Yeah, but yeah, you need glue.
I think that's the first part that we should do.
Can I decorate the cookies?
Sure. Yeah, like that.
We got this cookies. Only one is broken.
What? We gotta glue it though. We glue it.
Okay, glue it.
Wait, there's no top. Oh, you need glue to the top.
Yeah, glue it. All right, guys. So this is what we have so far.
It's not the best.
It's looking pretty good.
Pretty messy.
Pretty unique. Pretty unique and different.
You're right. And Starry, she did the gingerbread cookies.
This is mine.
That was yours? Nice. So yeah, our glue is almost done, guys, because we're using a lot of glue. To be honest, I don't know what we're doing right there, but yeah. George is a decorator. All right, guys, so we're done with the gingerbread house. Look at this house, guys.
I'll show you what part I did.
It's one of the best houses out there.
Wait, when did you do this? Literally now. Look, ready? This one. And then I did this one, but for some
Sure did this
reason,
side.
it melted and the thingy started coming off.
It's ice. That's why it's melting.
Yeah, it's ice. So this part is the one that George did, and then this part is Starry's. So she did this.
How about that one?
No, she did one of the gingerbread cookies.
So this one's Starry's and this one is mine.
And this one is.
And then she did a lot of eating the candy.
Guys, tell me, but for some reason, when I was doing the green hair and the eyes and the clothes, it reminded me of Oompa Loompa.
Oompa Loompa? Or see, Starry, what is it?
Okay, so this is like so. This is the mom, this is the dad, and this is baby, and this is this one.
Oh, that's a little baby right
Oh,
there?
the baby is this one. This one.
No, it's this.
Oh, that's the
Oh,
baby.
that one. And this is the sister.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is the mom, and this is the dad.
This is the family, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, rate this house. Comment down below. Give it a rating 1 to 10.
Please be nice.
Be nice.
So good, yours is so good. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I got an ice cream.
All right, guys. Remember, we're doing the Vision Pro giveaway. We're gonna be giving it out on Christmas, so make sure you guys subscribe to the post notifications.
And like the video.
Yeah, to enter our next giveaway, guys.
Yeah, on Christmas.
Guys, so we were looking for the elf in the shelf, and guess what? It's right here. How did it get here? I don't know, but it's kind of creepy. So.
Don't touch it. No. What did you do?
I touched it.
What did you do?
Is that bad?
I already touched it.
You didn't know.
You don't know how. You don't know what happens if you touch it?
No.
Sure, I already touched it a long time. You make the magic go away. So you need to leave it in the box. You guys gonna be.
But this is my second time touching it because I was cleaning and I heard something and it fell. It was like in the floor and I was like, what the heck? Who moved it?
You're in the naughty list.
What? Let's turn this chimney on, guys. It's cold today. It's super cold, so. Wait, where's the key? Did you lose the key? George, give me the lighter. The key's right here. We got a big key, guys. Look at this key. So guys, we're not gonna be using this tree for Santa. We're gonna be using the other tree. That's the big tree. Suri wanted to use that one because she wants to get a lot of gifts from Santa. She got a huge list. So what she's gonna do is like,
I want to get a piggy plushie too.
The thing is that there's some big gifts right there.
oh yeah, because those are decorations. But this one doesn't have like a big space, so she wants to do the
Big.
yeah, she wants Santa to go to the other one. So hopefully Santa doesn't come to this one, because if he does, it's gonna be a little bit of gifts, like maybe 1 or 2.
Maybe we should put a sign to say not this one.
Santa. Okay, I got it, George. I got it. Let's see. Wait, I gotta check up. Oh yeah, it's open. It's open for Santa. Okay, guys, here it goes. Oh. Well, that looks pretty cool. What do you think, Starry?
Oh, so warm.
You like it?
So cozy.
Wait, I look. Yeah, how was it? And there's no more fire right there. How will you go right there and there's no more fire?
Oh, Santa's gonna get burned. Santa.
Santa's magical, so.
No, I said there's no more fire right there. You can take it out.
Yeah, we'll turn it off later. Okay, let's go turn on the other one, and your package arrived. So something that you wanted, we got.
I have no idea what it is, but if
It's right there. Look, it's huge.
I have no idea what it is, but if it's something I want, then I'm probably.
It's huge.
Wait, what?
This- All right, guys. So we got the chair here.
The chair. Which one? The chair.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's open it.
You have some scissors?
You don't need scissors. Starry, did you see the power?
Hey, blink it.
Wait, isn't this one like the other one, Amor? In Starry's room?
Kind of.
The same material?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have to put it together, Amor. That is the part that I hate the most. Oh, no.
At least we have a new box to make a fort of.
Now this has some little pieces.
Yeah.
This chair is so beautiful.
So this is a new chair that Suri wanted for her room, because she has that one for the piano. She has this one, and she's missing one for painting. Okay?
But isn't that one you're painting on? That's the one holding the stuff for the paint.
Oh yeah, that's supposed to be the piano one, right?
Yeah.
The stool for the piano. Let's... We're gonna make it. Let's take all the wrappers off, okay? All right, guys. So we already put it together. We're missing the bottom, and George has the other one there, and then those two go way in the bottom too.
Yeah, pass me that one, Mom.
So Nani's actually doing it.
I'm the expert here.
But I'm the one that does it. But today is gonna be her, okay, guys?
Okay.
So
Hammer.
Wait.
What is that?
is that the bathroom?
Sounds like it.
Wait.
It's not.
It sounded like somebody was scratching something.
I hear like the bathroom.
I know.
Was it the bathroom?
I think it's the.
I think it's not.
Okay, now what's the other?
No, there's the wash.
Maybe you want me to go outside?
Sounds so.
No, I don't think it's outside. So
That's weird.
it was closed.
Okay, so we're gonna continue to.
Again.
What is it? Is that the vent? It's the vent.
Yeah, it is.
What the heck? Is there something in the vent?
I can't see anything.
That's weird.
I don't think vents are supposed to be making that noise.
That's all weird. So what do
I
you...
can't see anything, so
Wait.
I'm not sure if
It's in the other side!
What is it? How am I supposed to know? Stop.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
maybe
If I think it's
inside,
something in
maybe
there.
something inside.
What do you mean by something?
We need a
There has
flashlight.
to be something inside there. Do you mean like an animal?
We need a flashlight.
At this point, it can be anything.
Maybe it's an animal.
Well, what animal? What animal could possibly fit in the vent?
I don't know. Is it over there?
Yeah, again. It's here.
What is it? Get the flashlight. Get the flashlight.
Where is it? Flashlight.
I almost fell. Where is the flashlight?
Guys, did you guys know?
Okay, wait. I got my phone, but I don't think it's enough.
Where's the flashlight?
Wait. Guys, tell me if you see something. Wait, I'm using the tripod. Is there anything, guys? Studying the camera. That's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna use the flashlight.
What happens if we hear it again?
Use the flashlight. Wait. I don't see anything. There's nothing there.
Then what was making that noise?
I don't know.
It sounded there has to be something with that. It sounded like a rat or... Oh, God, there's something in there scratching the wall.
Okay, so
Maybe it's an animal, Mama. Okay, so
yeah, maybe something in there.
But what are we going to do if there is an animal?
We gotta take it out.
Open it? But how?
We gotta open the vent and take it out.
How do you know it's not dangerous or anything though?
can you see something, Amor?
Wait, there's something there.
What?
Wait. I can't see that good. It's... What the...
What?
It looks like it's moving back.
Amor.
It's on the other side.
Yeah.
What the...
What is it though?
What?
What happens if you grab me so I can see what it is?
Let's see if you can reach.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Careful, more.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this boy is... Okay, go, George. Go. Look.
I can't.
Did you see
What
something?
is it? I don't
George.
see anything. I see something. What is it?
What is it?
Are those eyes?
Where?
There's something right there.
I don't see nothing.
I don't see anything.
Right there.
What is that?
There's like webs right there.
Like
There
what?
was eyes.
Webs.
There was webs in the corners and then there was eyes.
What do you think it is? You think it's like an animal or something?
Yo no vi nada. I don't know.
I saw eyes.
Amor, what happened? What are you doing?
I can see something.
Okay.
Oh, look, you can see it over here. I don't hear anything.
So these one ball are connected, right?
Yeah, they're connected. What of them are connected?
I think it stopped moving.
Oh my God.
I don't see nothing. Check it out side.
Amor.
I don't see anything.
Amor, I have an idea.
What?
If you stay here and I'm going to the other side.
Okay.
Amor, we're ready.
Wait.
What?
What?
Wait.
What happened? He's there.
There was something right here scratching right
Right
now.
here.
I think we gotta call someone.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
So, ¿qué se escuchó?
I don't know.
Like claws, like it's scratching the vents.
You know what? Let's put this chair together and call someone. I don't know if it's an animal, but I don't see anything though.
I think it is an animal. How did it get?
It has to be an animal.
How did it even get? Yeah, I mean.
I don't know.
What could it be?
How did it get in there? Makes no sense. Is there vents outside? Like through here or?
I don't know. It's because they are connected.
Yeah, these two are connected.
And how is there no other ones connected or no?
Let's just go up. It's getting dark. We'll finish this chair tomorrow. We're gonna call someone to check the vents because this is weird. Okay, we're hearing stuff in George and Sir's room in the vent, so we don't know what it is. They keep saying they saw something, but to be honest, I didn't see nothing. So, and guess what? They're probably gonna want to sleep with us again, but
Yes, please.
come on.
Yeah, you want to sleep with me?
No, they gotta go sleep in their room, bro. It's not even late yet. Well, it's getting dark.
I'll sleep with Tara.
No, guys.
I can make your bed.
No, guys. Okay.
Honest, I'd rather sleep in Tara's room than my room with that little thing in the vent or whatever it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but we gotta call somebody for real. so you come and check it. Because downstairs, like the vents are for the heater and for the AC, both of them. And we haven't turned the AC for a long time because we don't need to. But the heater is been on for you guys. So maybe an animal got in there.
It sounded really weird and I saw eyes.
Yeah, because the heater doesn't sound like that.
It's pretty weird. All right, guys, we're gonna end this video. But remember, we're doing the Vision Pro giveaway. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video, guys.
Super easy to win, guys.
Also, guys, comment down below on the gingerbread house, guys. It took us a long time to finish, and Starry, she did the best.
Also, you'll never watch this video again because this is so creepy.
It is creepy, yeah. Okay, Starry, you ready? You're gonna do the seal. You ready? 1, 2, 3. No, the seal. Ready?